Yeah, it was quite thrilling experience this year. We have participated in 2022 also, but that time it was a post-COVID Electronica, so we had less response and we were new to this, and but it was the first experience for us that time. We had a lot of learning that time, and this time what we see is we are much more prepared. We have a big team here, and we have been able to meet a lot of potential customers. When I would say that the clients what we have met, they are much more interested in doing maybe low volume businesses, and they're looking for India as a destination. I think India is a happening factor. Everybody wants to be, a piece of that cake, and everybody wants to have something in India. So once you do something in India, yes, we are there as Indic, and as a professional company, we give them the right advice. We tell them what we can do for them. We have the whole spectrum of services as Indic, and I think we have the capability to meet all their demands. We are a state-of-the-art company. We have invested a lot. We are doing a lot of expansion, and that expansion and our capacity building is really going to help us to meet these customer requirements. We have met customers from all over the world. It's not only the Europe. We have met customers from Russia. We have met from US. We have met customers from Australia, and obviously the European customer from Germany, Italy, and other countries. And they all want to be a part of India's story. So I think we have a good feedback, and we think we will do a better business in the coming years.
एक और point था. So
Yeah.
with respect to Electronica, what were your initial expectations before coming? What were you looking forward to, and how did Electronica do better or not so better, or anything to improve?
Yeah, we had quite of apprehensions before we were coming here, because last time 2022 was our first time. We had a lot of apprehensions, but this time once we came over here, we found people, a good crowd coming, a good people turnout is there, and it is really thrilling to see that so many people coming over here. It's like a mecca of all electronic suppliers, not only for the EMS but also for the products and the testing and the PCBs. And being a part of this is an amazing experience for me on the personal level.
Perfect.
Yeah.
With respect to the kind of interactions you've had, mostly in your customer side, which you're
Yeah.
saying, how do you think that they are more unique here than anywhere else? Like, how is Indic benefiting from the kind of quality customers you're getting here?
See, when
Yeah, you can continue
Yeah.
speaking to me here.
yeah.
Yeah, turn towards you.
Yeah.
Just turn towards you.
So, if we talk about the customers who have been coming over here and talking to us, we had quite of interactive sessions over there with the customers. I find the customer coming over here, we have been to China and other places, but when we see the customer coming over here, it's a much more better, matured customer, I would say, and they are much more clear with the ideas, what they have. They know what they want to do, they have a clear plan, and they are very impressed with India's growth, and that is quite helping us this time, which was not there earlier. So this time we know that customer is looking for India, and we being Indian EMS company, we can do a better job for them. And also the interactions what we had with the Indian, also the interaction what we have with the various potential customers, we found that they have a lot of intriguing questions for us. And I think this is going to help us, because then we understand that this is a requirement of the customer, and we can build on that. We can do certain improvements in our current plant, in the processes, in the design, in a lot of things which can do, the kind of capital equipments which we purchase. I think that is going to help us in building a long road ahead, we know. But it is going to help us, for sure. Thank you.
Just one last question. In terms of the technical side for Indic, what is the kind of knowledge that you gained? You just mentioned that buying some equipment and introducing new things in our process is going to help us much more.
Yeah.
Is there anything new that you learned here, or is there anything that your clients understood about Indic?
Yeah. So in that case, I would say that Industry 4.0 is a happening thing. Everybody is talking about it. Also, being an automotive, we are catering to automotive business. Traceability is one aspect which everybody is talking. And we have an MES, and we are upgrading our MES to SAP Digital. So I think those kind of insights which we get from event like this help us to choose a better product for us. Yeah.
Very
Okay.
good, sir.